back to me. One begins to read between the pages of a book, the shape of a sea-playing music, and suddenly you're hooked. Through the rain upon the trees and the kisses on the run, back to me. You came to stay and live my way. Scatter my love like leaves in the wind. You always say that you won't go away. But I always know what it always has been. It always has been a transparent dream beneath an occasional sigh. Most of the time I just let it slip on by. I wish it hadn't begun. I saw you. I saw you coming back to strolling the hill, overlooking the shore. I realized I've been here before. The shadow in the mist could have been anyone. Saw you coming back to me. Small things like reason are put in a jar. Whatever happened to wishes wished on a star? Was it just something that I made up for fun? I saw you I Well, Terry, that's for you, honey. I'm just trying to see if I can load this up again and get it off to you so that you could hear it. I think what happened the first time is that I loaded it up and I took it back down, then I loaded it up and something happened in between that process. So this is sort of rushed. If it's around the, if it's sounds like it's on the right track to you, let me know, and then I'll work on it and really try to get it smooth and better. Okay? Love you. Bye. Have a great time tonight.